All right, here we are. We have two different data sets. We have one on the left here in the unpivoted format and a data set over here on the right in the pivoted format. The nature of our data relates to flowers. So we have a species of flower. We also have a couple of different measurements pertaining to that species of flower. And we have the value for each of those measurements. In the unpivoted format, you have less columns and more rows. This is nice for systems such as planning systems, where you may be loading data into a dimension. You have a varying number of measurements, so you don't have to change the number of columns that you use to represent the data you're trying to load, while you also can have a flexible number of actual attributes. In this particular example, we are only dealing with sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and petal width, but you'll see as I scroll down through this data set that there's representation across each of these species for all the data sets. Let's head back up to the top. Conversely, for a pivoted data set, we'll see that we have more columns than rows because we are able to represent the same data across those columns, meaning it will require less rows. This is great because it calls out specifically what you're loading, and you don't need to load as many rows, but you're unable to have that same flexibility of a varying number of attributes that you want to calculate. We're going to jump into DataWORQ now and show you how you can quickly go from the unpivoted format to the pivoted format and also move in the reverse direction.